are learning arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression? It is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term, except the first term. Let's see what is this. Here are some stairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps. It is a daily life you have seen even your home or other anywhere. So we write 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Each number is called term. Each number is called term, and we check that it is an arithmetic progression or not. The difference between two terms, here is 1 and also here is 1 and also here is 1 and also here is 1. The common difference in each term is equal, so it is called arithmetic progression. The first term, it is denoted by small a, here is 1, and also the common difference which is denoted by small d, here is also 1. The common difference of AP may be positive, negative or 0. Now we find the nth term of AP. Here is AP 2, 3 and 4, 5. Here is first term a equal to 2 and difference d equal to 3 minus 2 and equal to 1. So we can write 2 only, 2 plus 0 times multiply the difference of them, and for the second term, first term plus 1 time multiply the difference, so we get the second term. And for the third term, 2 plus 2 times multiply the common difference, we get the third term, and so on. Okay, we write a plus 0 time multiply d and a plus 1 time multiply into d and a plus 2 time multiply into d. So it is the general form of AP. So we can write, find out the nth term an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. It is the formula for using the find out the nth term. Let's see, we find out the 10th term of the series, and the n equal to 10 and a equal to 2 and difference equal to 1. So an equal to 2 plus, here is n equal to 10 minus 1 and common difference d multiply with 1, and 2 plus 9 into 1 and 2 plus 9 and equal to, we get the 11. It is the 10th term of this series. Okay, now let's see the next question. Which term of AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? So here is a AP, we have to find out that 78 is the which term of this AP. So here is first term a equal to 3 and the common difference d equal to second term 8 minus the first term, so it is the 5. The difference between, common difference between these terms is 5. Now put the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 in bracket into d. So an here is 78. Put these all values in this. 78 equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into d equal to 5. So 78 equal to 3 plus 5 into n, 5n minus 5 into 1, 5 1 is 5. Now we subtract these numbers. 78 equal to minus 2 plus 5n. Minus 2 transfer to this side, 78 which is plus 2 equal to 5n. Now 78 and added 2, it is 80. 80 equal to 5n. 5 is multiplied with n, so n equal to 80 upon 5 and n equal to 16. So the 16th term of this AP is 78. Okay, that's all.